Hey guys, Sarah from Repeat Crafter Me. I have a box. I think I know what it is. I haven't opened it, but we are gonna open it together. Got my little forest friends here because I think this is the official printing of the book. I have a pre-copy that I got a couple months ago, but this is like the official book that you guys will be receiving. Some of you have already received it in the mail, and I finally get to see it in person. So let's do this. Come on. Okay. Whew. Okay, come on. Open up. Oh my gosh. I'm really excited, a little emotional. These books, these take so much work and effort, labor of love though. Oh my gosh, this is just so beautiful. I have to look at this real quick. Oh, it's beautiful, the printing. Okay, let's talk about it. Crochet Cute Forest Friends, today is officially publication day. That means it is released and available for purchase immediately, of course on Amazon and many other retailers, which of course I will leave you the links for. So here is what it looks like. Here's the cover. Got all these cute woodland critters. Here's what the back. Thank you to some of my crochet buddies for those endorsements. And then let's talk about the inside a little bit. Okay, this might be hard for me to show you, but I'm really excited about this. Okay, hold on. If I can get to the table of contents. You guys know me. Love to bring you beginner-friendly patterns. This is all using worsted weight yarn. Really simple stitches, minimal sewing. Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but in the table of contents, I have split this book into about, let's say, 4 different sections because we have our forest floor friends, we have our treetop dwellers, we have our riverside animals, and then we have our nocturnal critters. And then there's 2 bonus patterns. So you're gonna get 26 patterns in this book, and 24 of them are the animals, and then there's going to be the bonus patterns, and I'm going to show you a couple of these adorable woodland critters. Again, I've used worsted weight yarn. It's all with Red Heart Super Saver, and as always, I like to bring you stitch tutorials, go over that all in the beginning of the book, just in case you are beginner, and then oh, look at that, even like sewing techniques. Of course, you can use safety eyes or crochet on your eyes. So like, here's the bunny. Look, I mean, I'm just so thrilled with this photography and the way these all are printed. Okay, let's just flip through the book real quick. Oh, look at these. Okay, I have to show you just on camera what these look like. Oh yeah, the otter is one of my favorites. Eek, they're all just so cute. Okay, all right. Yeah, here's the book. So excited. I can't wait for you guys to get this. I just received all my copies. Look at them. I just love seeing them in a stack. Okay, let's let me just show you on camera. So I got some of my friends. So here's the bunny. I mean, look, they're a really nice size. Of course, they're all going to be a little different sizes because some of them are, you know, bunnies with long ears. Some of them are a little smaller, like our ladybug. This was really cute. This is one of the first ones I actually crocheted. Okay, let me make some room here. Let's put a book up so you can still. No, I'm too far away on this. Okay, here we go. Okay, so then we have the deer, which I know is already a fan favorite. How adorable is this deer? I mean, we are coming, it is fall. We're coming into the perfect season for this, for our woodland critters here. And I mean, this couldn't be better timing. Holiday season, add this to your holiday wish list. Or just buy it for yourself, treat yourself, right? Okay, we have our cute mallard duck. This is another one of my favorites. Actually, they're all my favorites, right? The fox, I call him the mascot of the book. This was actually the first one I crocheted. I love the color. I mean, I just feel like he represents the book so well. He's on the cover. He's my example when I did all the stitches and all that photography and verbiage for you guys. So our adorable fox. Okay, wait. The otter. I love our otter. So the otter is like floating on its back. I mean, you could sit him up too. I just love my little otter. Okay, of course we had to have a hedgehog because, you know, this is, again, the perfect little woodland creature, right? This is just a very simple loop stitch. I show you how to do that as well. Cute little hedgehog. All right. Spooky season. You got to do this one. It's our bat, and the wings. There's an eagle in the book too. I don't have the eagle right here with me, but you know, you could wrap him around. You could have him come out. You could hang him upside down. Anyway, the bat is perfect for Halloween. Oh, here's our raccoon. Again, very simple. If you can make the fox, you can make the raccoon. It's basically the same pattern, you guys. Oh, here's another one of my favorites. I just love his little smile. Ah, the frog. And look at those legs. So cute, right? Okay, of course we had to have our gray squirrel. There's also a chipmunk in the book. I don't have the chipmunk right here with me, but you got to get the book and see our chipmunk. Oop. And then, of course, a little bluebird. And if you've ever followed my patterns before, you know I like to take one pattern and make others. So there's actually 3 versions of the bird in the book, because you can just change the color and suddenly, instead of a bluebird, you have a robin, or change it to, I mean, really any color you want. But this bird could be multiple birds is what I'm trying to say. You guys know what I'm saying. Okay, and then I want to show you, hold on, I have it here. So I made a little tree house. This is so you can set the scene. So you can actually like use this as kind of a little cute setup. If you're gifting this to a child, you know, they can put their forest friends in the little tree house. Little, I don't know, what do you call that, a pocket? I don't, you know, they can go into the tree house. It's super cute. This is made with a double strand of yarn. Just hold 2 at once and crochet with it. And then, of course, we had to have our little mushroom toadstool. I mean, you could make dozens of these. How cute is this little mushroom? I mean, I would just make this and use it as like a keychain or something. It's just eek, so cute. Anyway, I am just so thrilled. Where's my book? Let's hold this baby up again. Thank you guys so much. Really proud of this one. It means so much to me for all your support over the years. Of course, all my patterns are free, not these ones, but all the patterns I typically create are free on repeatcraftforme.com. But this is my newest book, and it is available for purchase now. If you're able to support or even just share this with others, that would be amazing. Seriously, thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and I really hope you love it.